So she stole mine. I was going to say communicating as well. I think it is a big thing. I also think this day and age, everyone's on their phones. We're emailing and all this stuff besides like calling and all that stuff. We're losing touch with that. I think being able to talk to someone face to face, be able to have the hard conversations and everything like that is like a big skill that upcoming new professionals need to have.
Yeah.
Yeah, I definitely agree with both of you. I feel like a lot of people this day and age would jump to say like AI, but doing the things that AI can't do, like public speaking and communicating, is probably what's most important to make sure that you have. So, yeah.
And you guys dipping into the AI you use here, right, at LSI is, I love that answer because it doesn't do everything, right? You guys, I've put it in. We're going to, anyways, my husband and I are going to a World Cup game next week. But I know, I'll tell you guys after. I'm so, it's like a small fortune, but I'm so excited. But we put that in and I'm like, hey, when's Portugal playing? It like gives me, it was wrong.
Yeah.
It was wrong, the dates. Like you have to check it. So I love that you guys say that because AI is great and it enhances what we do, but it is also wrong and crowdsourced and crowdsourced stuff can be wrong. So I love that. Okay. And Batu, maybe to you since you're starting it, is like, what will an internship teach you about the real world?
Oh, honestly, like it's different. I had a couple high school internships, but as a college student, it's a completely different world. You feel much more integrated and you're actually hands-on with a lot more things. You're doing more than just mundane administrative work most of the time. And especially at LSI, I think it will help me advance a potential career in either government or business because of the interconnectedness of the two here specifically.